Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts, we've all been there. You're all set to tackle a new project, excitement is in the air, and you can already envision the final result. You're ready to tackle a project. You've gathered all your tools, laid out your materials, and you're feeling confident. You grab your trusty tube of sealant, the one you've used for countless projects before. But wait, it's rock hard. The nozzle is clogged and the sealant inside is completely dried out. The sealant has dried out and now you're stuck. Your project is on hold and frustration sets in. It's a common problem, but don't worry. You're not alone in this struggle. I've got a simple hack to keep your sealant fresh and ready to go. No more dried out tubes, this happens to the best of us. We finish a project, feel accomplished, and then we finish a project, toss the tube in a drawer and forget about it. Out of sight, out of mind. Then bam, next time we need it, it's unusable. The sealant is hard as a rock and we're back to square one. But fear not, my friends. There's no need to throw away that tube just yet. There's a solution, and it's easier than you think. Stay tuned, and I'll show you how to keep your sealant fresh and ready for your next project. Before we get started, let's gather our sealant-saving arsenal. Don't worry, you probably already have these common household items on hand. Your trusty tube of sealant, of course. Paper towels or a rag. Rubbing alcohol, optional, but it helps with cleaning. Plastic wrap or a small sandwich bag. Tape, any kind will do. That's it, see? Easy peasy. Now let's move on to the good stuff. Actually preserving our sealant. First things first, we need to make sure that nozzle is clean. Even a little bit of dried sealant can ruin your day. Start by wiping down the nozzle with a paper towel or rag. If you have some dried sealant clinging on for dear life, dip your rag in a bit of rubbing alcohol and give it a good scrub. We want a nice clean surface for our next step. Trust me, a little cleaning goes a long way in preventing future frustration. Section 4. Tape it up, sealing in the freshness. In this section, we will show you a simple yet effective way to keep your sealant fresh and ready for future use. This method is quick, easy, and ensures that your sealant remains in perfect condition. Now for the magic touch. This step is crucial for maintaining the quality of your sealant. This is where we lock in that freshness and keep our sealant happy. A well-sealed tube means no more dried-out sealant and no more waste. Grab your plastic wrap or sandwich bag, either one will do the trick. These common household items are perfect for this task. Tear off a small piece and wrap it tightly around the nozzle. Make sure to cover the entire opening to prevent any air from getting in. Make sure it's a nice, snug fit. The tighter the wrap, the better the seal. Once you're happy with the coverage, secure it in place with a piece of tape. This will hold the plastic wrap firmly in place. This creates an airtight seal, preventing air from getting in and drying out our precious sealant. With this simple trick, you can extend the life of your sealant and ensure it's always ready for your next project. Section 5. The Syringe Secret Weapon. Now, let's talk about a bonus hack for all you detail-oriented DIYers out there. This one is especially useful for those who love precision and neatness in their projects. Ever have a small project that requires just a tiny bit of sealant? Maybe you're working on a delicate craft or a minor repair that needs a precise touch. Instead of wrestling with a big bulky tube, try using a syringe. It's a simple yet effective tool that can make your life so much easier. Simply cut the tip of the sealant tube, fill the syringe, and you're good to go. This method allows you to control the amount of sealant you use with pinpoint accuracy. This is a game changer for those small, fiddly jobs where precision is key. Whether you're sealing a tiny gap or working on a detailed craft, the syringe gives you the control you need. Plus, it's super satisfying to use. The smooth application and the ability to get into tight spots make it a favorite among DIY enthusiasts. So there you have it, folks. A simple yet effective hack that can make your DIY projects more enjoyable and less frustrating. With these simple tips, you can say goodbye to dried-out sealant tubes and hello to successful DIY projects. No more wasted material or messy applications. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Happy crafting! Your feedback helps us bring more useful tips and tricks to the community.